In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FindChange, text, glyph, GREP, in InCopy. This feature is a powerful way to clean up text, standardize formatting, and make targeted changes quickly. We'll walk through opening the FindChange dialog, then explore the text, GREP, and glyph tabs so you know exactly when and how to use each one. To begin, open InCopy and go to the Edit menu, then choose FindChange. This opens a dialog box with several tabs. Text is for straightforward find and replace. GREP lets you search using patterns, which is great for things like dates or sequences of numbers. Glyph helps you locate and swap specific characters or symbols. Depending on your setup, you may also see other tabs like Object or Transliterate, but we'll focus on these three. Let's start with the Text tab. Use this when you want to find words or phrases and replace them. In the Find What field, type exactly what you're looking for. In Change To, enter what you want to replace it with. Use Find to jump to the next match, Change to replace the current match, or Change All to update every match in your chosen range. A helpful tip: if you need special characters like tabs, non-breaking spaces, or paragraph returns, open the meta character menu next to the Find field and insert them from the list instead of typing them manually. That reduces mistakes and ensures InCopy reads them correctly. Now switch to the GREP tab for pattern-based searches. GREP is ideal when what you're looking for follows a pattern, such as numbers at the start of a line or text inside quotation marks. In the Find What field, enter a GREP expression, like $D+, to target numbers at the beginning of a line. If you want to keep parts of what you find, use grouping parentheses and refer back to them in Change To with $1, $2, and so on. For example, to find text inside double quotes, you might use $+ and then reference only the word part using $2 in your replacement. Apply your changes using FindChange or Change All, and remember you can save useful GREP searches as queries for future projects. Finally, use the Glyph tab when you need to locate and swap specific characters. Click beside Find Glyph to choose the exact character you want, then select the replacement under Change Glyph. This is especially handy for punctuation variants, special symbols, or script-specific characters. Use Find Next, Change, or Change All to apply. As you work, take your time to review each change, especially before using Change All. If something isn't right, you can always step back with Undo.